seen those faces, I've heard all the lies, but you ain't gazing on someone in denial. 'Cause you want dollar bills right now, but you gotta work real hard. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I said, see it in your mind.
Okay, so here we are coming up on the Howard Franklin Bridge. Going over this overpass, bypass 275 goes right underneath us here. Takes you down to St. Pete and to the Skyway Bridge, crossing from Pinellas County into Manatee, I think it is. It's it's an interesting ride going down that way. Today we don't have time to do it, but that bridge is pretty amazing.
In a quarter mile, merge onto I-275 North.
The old bridge down there collapsed and several people died just driving over the edge of the bridge when it had collapsed. Due to weather circumstances, the fog was so intense, and if I don't remember wrong, there was also a bus that went over. Tragic accident.
There's a speed trap ahead.
Oh, GPS is calling for a speed trap. Well, let's stay within 65. I may be okay.
Trust that, have what it takes inside, 'cause you can make it too. If not, says who? Yeah, you can make it too. If not, says who? You can make it. If not, says who? Yeah, you can make it too. If not, says who? You can make it. See it in your mind. Trust that.
Alright, so out there in the horizon, you can see Tampa downtown. Might not see it that good.
If not, says who?
Right.
You can make it. If not, says who? Yeah, you can make it too. If not, says who? You can make it.
Hello? Hallå? Hej, mamma, jag kör just nu så jag får lov att ringa dig lite senare.
Ja, är det annars var du på väg till?
Ja, jag har redan varit där, jag är på väg hem nu.
Hem till Orlando eller vadå?
Nej, jag är i Tampa just nu. På väg hem, okej?
Ja.
Ja.
Men har du ringt ikväll då eller?
Vad sa du?
När är du hemma då?
Ja, jag ringer om en timme eller så.
Ja, det är bra.
Okej. Hej då.
Hejdå.
Alright guys, that was my mother calling from Sweden. And I guess you know already that I was going to go and see the grandkids, so she's calling and trying to check up on the information. I don't really know long this bridge is, but I think it's like 6 or 7 miles. And right now we're nearing the Tampa area. And you see the skyline to the right in the video footage, probably a little bit.
You get everybody staring for days. All they see is just a young, pretty face. But I'm trying to get to know you much better. Don't matter how much time it will take. But there's something you're trying to hide. There's something you're keeping inside. But I'm trying to get to know you much better. Don't matter how much time it will take. I just can't give up.
Out to the left here, we're passing, you should see it on the sign here, right here, Clearwater, Tampa International Airport. I love Tampa Airport. It's one of those airports, it's really quick in and out, the way they constructed it with trains and other things. It's a pretty good airport. Don't have the time to take you to the airport and show it to you, but it is a nice airport. I've gone in and out of there, I don't know, hundreds of times. In my active days when I worked, I flew out of there all the time. Alright, so good thing traffic is pretty light today, it looks like. And I'm gonna go and pick up my driver. He went to see some people. And I'm just gonna go and pick him up. And he's gonna have to drive back home. This is a town and an area that I spent 22 years of my life, and I really liked it when I was here in my younger days. But it's fairly expensive to live out here. Clearwater is really expensive, and if I was going to stay here, I would definitely stay on the beach side. So. Now I have my own beach in the Philippines, so that's where I will be staying.
I've seen those faces, I've heard all the lies, but you ain't gazing on someone in denial. 'Cause you want dollar bills right now, but you gotta work real hard. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I say,
once we get up here, and the intersection is I-4 and 275. Get to Orlando, we'll take I-4. Here you can start seeing behind the trees up here to the right. You can start seeing the skyline a little bit better. The view is much better when you're coming in from Orlando, get a really nice view of the skyline. But you can get an idea here.
You wanna stay chill right now, and don't let your eyes off the prize. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I said, see it.
Fortunately, the walls they have put up here don't give you the view that you had before. You know, when I left here, the construction was going on here. There was 2 lanes here, now it's 4. And I think on the other side of the wall, there's another lane or 2.
In 2 miles, use the
But here you have
to
a
take exit 45
here you have a
drive
pretty good
east to
view of the
Orlando.
skyline right there to the right. We're gonna head on over.
And I said, see it in your mind, trust that,
This intersection.
have what it takes inside, 'cause you can make it too. If not, says who? Yeah, you can make it too. If not, says who? You can make it. If not, says who? Yeah, you can make it too. If not, says who? You can make it.
All right, so here is I-4 starting up.
Continue for 5 miles.
Alright guys, that was a little trip through downtown Tampa and across Howard Franklin Bridge. Thank you for watching, God bless, and we'll see you next video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching, bye bye.